2013 Toyota Camry. Customer states car won't start. Think it's the alternator. They think it's the alternator. They just purchased this new battery. Car was running. Oh, it is leaking oil. That's not good. Anyway, car was running good for like about a couple of weeks, and then all of a sudden now it does not want to turn over. So I think it is the starter. We're gonna do a quick test and see. I'm gonna try to start it straight manually by touching the positive and the negative on the starter. And let's see, I hear some activity. That doesn't sound good. Battery's dead too. Alright, let me get a jump box. Ah, my jump box just died. Alright, should have a jump box. Alright, jump box on. Let's try turning it with the key and see what it does. So it does start. Let's take off the jump box and see what it does. So you start. I'm curious. Let's test the alternator now that I got it started. And I'm gonna test the battery as well and the starter. Let's do a quick old school alternator test. Let's take off power. Okay. Alternator seems to be charging. So the alternator is working. Yeah, alternator's working. Not 100%, but I feel like the starter was failing and it went out on her. Yeah, I think it's her starter. Now that it got power in it. I don't see the battery light on. It's starting up every time. Alright, let's do another test. So, starter is free. Had to take out the air box. And starter's unplugged. Power wire is off. Just need to take you off now. Bolt number 1 and bolt number 2. Fairly easy to come out. Just a little corrosion right there on the plug. I don't know if you can see it. But this starter was basically failing and letting her know, hey, you're gonna have to fix me. So instead of waiting for the car to break down again, I'm just gonna change the starter out now. Back at the Camry, your starter. Time to install her. Pretty simple, pretty cut and dry. You just gotta take out the air box. Toyota, I gotta give y'all some stars for this one because the starter was literally right here underneath the air box, and that was fairly easy. The 1ZZ, you gotta take out the intake manifold to get to the starter. So I think this is a 2AZ or something. I'm gonna have to look it up, but yeah, this is the different Toyota motor, the upgraded version for the 1ZZ, the economic family version. All right, let's put this in and I'll be back. Starter is in. Just gotta tighten her up. That should be tight enough. Yeah, it's not moving. Put that cover back on there. Now the last piece of the puzzle, the plug. There we go. Now tighten back up the battery terminal. Tighten her back up. Then time to start.